floor.
Yeah. Anytime you notice say this place dey cook, maybe this don't go tango in case. Now the challenge is already there with that.
First time in my life
Guys,
to touch machine, I saw this is across the day.
Guys, what is your name?
My name is Raima.
That's math. Really?
Oh, I don't know my name.
Kita Kibia.
Kita Kariyo.
No apprentice. They won't learn how to mash machine.
I want to learn more. You don't let me shakara for me. I go say sew my pants. You go say, so I go say your pants.
Really?
Sew my boxer. You go say, don't go buy a new one for this Tinubu regime. I go. The pants is tear with the swamp. If boxer tear with the swamp. If themselves tear with the swamp. If condom tear with the swamp.
Big brother, come and see this man won't spoil my subscribers. So. He won't spoil my subscribers. So. Come and rescue them.
You dey sew anything sewable now.
Anything sewable. Yeah, so I'm listening now. Yeah, match. Match and do that first matching well. Never put clothes.
Okay, but the first one.
Like they match the machine. Hi guys, meet our apprentice.
Yeah, original apprentice.
Apprentice never pay. Who will pay for a mole? We can pay for this man. He never pay. He didn't work.
Just name your price.
They can name my price. Just $500. $500. It's not up to 1 million. It's not up to 1 million.
Nigerian money na use it.
Anyway, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to be showing somebody on how to make use of this machine.
Yes.
Okay, somebody's son is good in costing because I know they into fashion business now before demolition. So which kind of cleaning of face be this? Never work, don't they clean sweat?
Today is the left.
Anyway, so in the always they do all those cutting. Sometimes go give tailors, maybe they help and do this thing. Now you go cut the clothes, but you just don't know how to match machine. So since 29, professor. We never be professor. That guy don't mind me. So let's show which one you want to do now. You want to skirt, or you want to trouser? Bra. This man. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy watching. Subscribe.
Ugly man.
This is ugly man. This one is the blush. Ugly people know they blush.
Brush. I don't brush in the morning.
And those pieces of those clothes there.
Ifonye gabulu. Ifonye gabulu. Asifonye neme bona kiti chai. Ifi gabulu.
So the machine, okay, without putting threading, okay, put it.
Let's just say.
So you hold it like this. This place now, this now is up. So now this place go hold. This way they here. Now you go use bring and down. You see? Lift it up.
It don't disappear.
You don't disappear.
Okay.
Disappear, go where?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, so
We can have this.
Yeah, you set it there. But it close like let's
close
go
and
down back. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so start sewing.
Salebo.
But never put rope, but just the match and you say it's to the move.
Okay, we will go slow.
Yeah.
With the cut.
With the cut, with the sew.
Yes.
For the normal ground. And something like this. Make sure say you fold the
double folding.
So you can't trace the mat. Never put rope. Then you close and back.
They follow the.
Yes.
Teacher, Quincy. Double have Teacher Quincy. Any other teacher na counterfeit. Then I will push under.
Yeah. So make sure you trace this mouth, not here. If not, this place will stay open. So now the mouth will
Okay,
be
what of this side now?
the target.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
So look at it.
So we control am from here with this handle. We use this hand, the control am from here. Move that hand now.
Okay, usually they push
Then
am.
this one, I
Okay, like this.
control here.
Okay, like this.
No,
Okay.
you are joking.
Ah.
This hand, I go use the control am for this side. This one will
Yeah.
control here.
Okay.
So as they reach this side, you still dey fold am again.
Okay. This one go there like
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah. Exactly. You go hold on. Set it again. Notice don't lose for
Yeah,
this
you
part.
don't I go set them again.
Now how to fix thread. Now that one sef, now go give you hard time. You get. Now here you put your hand from here. See this hole? Put your hand from here. You see? Then you lose this thing. Okay, it's not even there. You see?
Sugar delicious.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
What's up?
Fine.
Kusimia no.
Oh.
Ekunjokri. Oh boy, Yoruba na. You know the guy
As I'm not always using this thing, sef, no to say it's the rust. All the shorts.
All the shuttles. You see am? All the shuttle bus.
I don't know what you talk.
All the ghetto boy is rusting.
Kurupe.
The rust. Is that the income? Which view?
What do you wear like this?
Why should I get there?
What happened now? I didn't my shokoto. My connected to my
I'm
shokoto.
running the Lego.
Do like this, as if you're looking outside. This is right.
See my shokoto now. My connected to my shokoto.
Why is here calling
Show
on
them
there?
the chocolate now. You know, see as it's big.
Why you that place calling
You
on
don't measure yourself.
His name is Travel.
Let's see the back.
You did it.
Come on, for dear. This is my madam Raimo.
This is Nyosh.
This is Nyosh.
What do you choose the
This is Nyosh.
Nyosh.
Hey, shit.
Let me show my face. Let me see my
Tell them to subscribe to our channel and
You
everything.
know your name for it.
Gist them some more about.
I look very kept like this, like.
It's okay. That's why they like it like that.
Oh,
Like
oh,
when
you
people are
love it
natural.
like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Hi guys. You know how to shine it. I'm blushing.
Which what is the judge now? This person have been close up.
Hi guys. Raimat.
I know. You say your name is what?
Raimat.
Hi Mott.
Rai. So you don't know my name?
I
Wow.
don't know.
What is your name?
My name is Raimat.
Give me for Raimat.
That Matt.
Oh, I don't know my name.
Who's when they use to
Give me for Raimat.
Market, I don't know my name.
Okay. Now.
That's my name. My name is Raimat. Not be Raimo.
Okay.
Raima.
Yeah.
But we call her Hidden Beauty
Her
because
name
of
is-
her pointed nose.
You know your
But me,
TikTok.
I used to call her Rai.
Oh.
You say her name is Namat.
You want to forget to do.
No, that is with the weight now.
Subscribe to our page. Let me put. Subscribe to our page.
Are you looking at your TikTok or my YouTube people? Looking at your TikTok, they look. I've been at YouTube people, they look.
Everything.
So this one is-
Subscribe to our page. Thank you. What's the name of the page? Mary Quincy TV. Subscribe, like, follow, and share.
Put it
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, but what can one can the service machine.
Sorry, Zabia the lane.
Papa Nkini.
in the learn. Don't go do them now. I don't do the machine no. In the learn
Like this,
machine.
I be like this.
Oh,
Fix it here.
so
Any
yeah. You have my shokoto. Wait till my shokoto. The last time my shokoto. Please, what?
What's wrong with the chocolate?
What's wrong with my shokoto?
I will go like this.
No, only national day. But my shokoto is good.
Go like this.
You
I
are
mean,
you.
I know they there. Very
My
fast.
shokoto is good.
Inside this thing here. Give her. You see hole now, see hole. Do it in your hand, see the hole where they dey. Bring it up, see the hole where they for the way in your hand. Bring it up now, see hole.
Okay.
Man, can you come and give me fair now?
Go let this thing here meet with this thing here. You go still
Okay,
then you press it. Press it.
Hai, sarebo. Kari abang sam sabiram terabas tiere to. Iya me, ere ronga bazio ibat. I tapi ere nungwa gweru akan walk so fast walk.
You don't sabi work.
I can walk so fast walk.
You don't sabi work.
This one
You don't sabi work.
I'm going to put it like this. Close this one back. So now, you know I'm your madam now, so you're going to call me madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So you put this one like this,
Okay.
bring it back like this.
Yes, ma.
Then you put it here.
Okay, ma.
Okay, ma.
Not ma.
Okay, ma.
Put it here.
Like this.
Then bring it here.
Why is it something like this?
Don't worry, go use them. You know, they just service them. Then you cut the distance so I'll be able to fix it now. The next step, you fix it yourself. I'll not touch it at all.
Where I go chook this thing?
From here.
Like this.
From here.
Okay, from back.
Hold it well now. As soon as they put needle inside something new. I go sack you.
Thank God, they
I
no
go
be.
sack you.
Give my mouth to him bring up. Give my
Thank
mouth.
God.
I never even finish the month.
You know
Give my mouth back. Make the guy
now
mouth.
so
Look
them.
at madam here.
Make the guy mouth they go. We don't want apprentice
Thank God, say
again.
no
I'm
be.
pressing windows and be work.
Let me healthy she talk. Now so they put needle inside something. Thank God, say no be needle they put inside something.
Okay, Raymond said that so they put
Now
needle
you
inside
talk am.
something.
No, now you talk about it. I beg you.
Now so they put needle inside something.
I beg
You
you.
want kill the thing.
So if the thing is not smooth, you can cut it.
You can cut.
Yeah, something like that.
Sorry, brother. After this, okay.
Raymond, don't tell me you don't
After
have
this one,
anything to say to
cable
my
also.
subscribers.
I've seen the lot now.
Don't say anything.
Check out my shokoto. My shokoto is not good. DM.
Disappear from there. Banana.
Now so they put something.
Oga.
If I know
How
stress,
many say
how
one stress Oga? How many more you bring come sef?
17.
Now one oh.
Only one more you bring come
My
now
own
the stress
son,
Oga.
my whole pack.
Na pack oh. I will never stress Oga reach like this. Now let me show my shokoto again. I like my shokoto.
And the pepper here.
My shokoto.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
Show my shokoto. Do 360 for the camera. You show me why me.
Never enter.
Bye-bye.
If you dey use this in the cut and it be faster. That fix am for you. Ha! Apprentice don dey serious. You no fit talk again. Somebody son no fit
This
talk
thing here
again.
enter here, so.
See, even me sitting very far away, I'll fix it immediately. See, your hand have to come close. Try to even thinking twice. Don't do that. See? Finish.
Okay, if you cut, I go there
You go
close.
there, your hand need to be closer. You can't keep your hand far away. It's not going to enter fast. So now, you're going to move this thing. Don't move your leg. Move only this thing. So it will go and bring the rope for that down on. Come up. Hold this thing like this. Oh yeah, move it. Only small. Then bring her up again.
You don't move. Okay, if you hook, I go carry this up.
Oh yeah. Now small. Now today be your first time
If I know
of
everything,
holding the distance. So upon that you are very fast.
Ah,
The only thing is no, for matching you are fast though. Me during when I demand, that's why I do like this. I dey move on my body with the machine.
this thing be like where you're
You
dancing.
don't move this thing enter inside hole now. You won't dance when you dey so close. And again, this thing is not supposed to be this first.
It's cooking.
Finish first. Just this it like this. You know, say yes, ma.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
You're supposed to cook anyway.
Everybody's talking about our love. They said it shouldn't be. They said you were not meant for me. But every time I close my eyes, I see you. Every day and night, I'm thinking of you. Your love has got me crazy. Nothing in the world can stop me. I'll take the pain for your love.
Maybe now because of that, just don't. I think I can do this thing. Just because they behave like that. But it's like and because I just if I notice this way, maybe this will go and go. You notice something like this, you move it. Yeah, go day normal. It's like this. Up to you.
I mean, it's going to be like I can see this thread now. They will have
Don't be what your hand should be closed like this. See, this is it now. When you are not happy. See now, that don't fix so. I'm moving it back. You can cut it so that the mouth will be smooth. Even machine they handle am with care. The way they handle with care, na so they handle machine with care. If na you dey use this machine, no go spoil o. Still do am hold your hand. That's serious.
That's good. I want to take it up.
Na this room dey give you hard time. The one wey even be work, you know am immediately. E come be this one. When you enter. Bravo! Okay, so now you don't move this thing now. She already come outside now. Then you bring it in between the two.
But I can't come like this.
Let it enter middle of that place.
And I'm from center from command.
No.
Okay, the upper. Okay, I'm there. When I go,
Mama.
you gotta go.
Ebule buchi ebube. So before you go start to teach me how to sing, go. Perfect. Let's see. Wow. Wow.
My first matching.
First attempt, Abi. You try. They don't they cut already. They never even learn. They don't they to cut days for you. When we even learn work, the cut na the wahala. Like I told you guys from the intro, in the cut, like the great. Sometimes go turn gown to skirt. You go turn skirt to gown. You go just bring another top, join am with another skirt. You go give tailor. Oh yeah, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this. So that's the reason why he wants to.
Let's see what you just do.
Okay, maybe skirts.
I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh really?
Just the watch.
Okay.
Now the sewing now you had me.
So that you be able to now you suppose even position and the way because of it depends what you want to do.
Okay. Let's go guys. Let's go.
Tap
at the front, tap at the top. Keep tapping.
Keep tapping.
I swear. For TikTok I see drama.
You see character.
I see character.
Keep tapping guys, keep tapping. Keep tapping. If you are just joining, you're welcome. Don't forget to go to my number 1 section. I mean to my top one. Go to my top one. TikTok, then they try. They don't already they call too.
Those are some money. I know.
I know. As the more you keep people for your this thing,
They
I
say-
can make me come on now.
They say na money. So that I go figure it. You know what it is?
No.
By the time I finish, you go know what I did. So I clock no do.
Now, waiting with this now. It's too small now.
It's too small.
Oh yeah, start sewing. Let's go.
Just test.
They never had match machine. They don't. They don't cut clothes. Mama,
What I go.
it's even launching it.
What go.
Wow.
Watarana.
Now top we cut so.
Yeah.
Abi.
No, no. If it had to cut, that one a small thing.
Come.
I want, give me a bite. Ah, okay, let's start now. Let's be serious now.
So now you gonna teach me. Now you dey teach me.
To cut, you dey learn. And to sew, you know, is a bit. To sew, I never even sabi shingbai. So, no be.
Wow. My data. You dey use am there. If you like, I can still remove it. I'm just saying in case. Now the challenge is already there with that.
I saw you now be cocoa. To cut.
That's why you cocoa abi. That's for you. Some people that can already sew na cutting the cocoa. Is this a fast now?
Oh boy, yeah. I need matching now. I got the for my hand. The matching is really proving stubborn. Obanshi.
Eh?
Zamuchi Obanshi.
Oh.
I go deal with that.
Always remember the doctor. So I leave am. May you continue. Make I leave am. May you continue.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Teacher Quincy.
Even though you enter.
People when they see passion and their size.
What is this?
For the first time, where they touch machine, now I saw this, they tell me, say, what is this? I tried, Jerry. Say it easy.
Make I end this video so that I don't go over long. I end it an apprentice. End the video.
So, you guys, make una credit me. No man will teach you the talk. When she start to learn, even it take her 2 months to even cut, not to cut to match. But my first time, now I match, now I cut, now I sew. It's easy.
What do you sew?
See am now.
This one I sew.
So now so.
When we say before even hold one corner self,
So guys.
Today my brother come outside the thing and said, do like this, do like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anyway, it's fast in learning, honestly. It's very, very fast. This thing never close and come down. Never close and come down. We'll see you guys again in our next video. Please help us to share this video, like, comment. If you enjoy watching this video, let me know what you think in the comment section. If somebody's on try.
I try. Yeah. I try, guys. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe, because
show us love. Share them. Make it go. Look at this ministry go to the permanent site.
Yeah. It's so cool.
No, I mean, don't mention to me.
We'll see you guys again in our next video. For now, always remember to stay safe. Bye, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, kita kibia. And guys, see the remaining months for apprentice work. You never close this thing.